It's July 3rd. Happy.
Uh, KitKat Day? I don't know.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Well, Lily, you got kind of one right. There are actually 7 days that we're celebrating today on July 3rd. But you are partially correct, but not just KitKat. It is National Chocolate Wafer Day.
Oh.
National Chocolate Wafer Day. So we're going to celebrate that day really quick. We're going to do one at a time, and we're going to start with number 1, National Chocolate Wafer Day. Shall we? Chocolate Wafer Day.
I don't like
Have you ever had a KitKat?
Nope.
You've never had one? Well, this is a big day for you. You can take one bite and see what you think. Take that. Cheers. Think. Tell me what you think. No? You know what we call people that don't like Kit Kats? Crazy. Stay out of the sun day. Number 2 is National Stay Out of the Sun Day. Why do you think we have that?
So we don't get sunburns?
Maybe so, or worse. But you know what? We don't have to dress like this because guess where we are?
Inside.
Inside! So we don't have to do this right now. So let's go ahead and celebrate just by being inside, not by being prepared to go outside. So we've celebrated Chocolate Wafer Day. We've celebrated Stay Out of the Sun Day. Now, you know what we're going to do? We're going to celebrate, what do you think this is?
Beans.
They are beans! It's Eat Your Beans Day. Eat Your Beans Day. And we're going to celebrate by eating these beans. You're going to eat this whole can of kidney beans right now.
Can I have grilled beans?
Do you want the grill and beans steakhouse recipe?
Which tastes? I don't really like kidney beans on it.
You don't like any beans. So you're telling me
I do.
You do? Are you going to eat these beans?
Yeah.
What if I said eat these kidney beans? No? All right, well.
The grilled beans.
All right, but here's the deal. If you refuse to eat these kidney beans, we can celebrate another day. Disobedience Day. Day number 4 is Disobedience Day. I guess this means a day you can go do something you shouldn't normally do. Because you refuse to eat the kidney beans, in a way you're celebrating Disobedience Day.
I like grilled beans better.
And I'm going to celebrate Disobedience Day by giving you a detention slip. So that kind of commemorates Detention Day.
I'm not even in school, and I don't even have detention.
But look at Lily, reason for detention, not eating kidney beans. All right, there you go. All right, National Disobedience Day. Congratulations, we celebrated it.
Nope.
Plastic Bag Free Day. It is International Plastic Bag Free Day. What do you think that means?
Means you get to throw a bunch of plastic bags everywhere.
You mean you get to free all your plastic bags?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fly! Be free! Free!
Actually, I don't think that's it. That's called littering. Maybe what it is I'm going to give you all of my plastic bags for free. Actually, where we live, they charge you for plastic bags in the store. So do you think maybe they give us bags for free today? It's trying to live your life with fewer plastic bags or picking up plastic bags you find littering the streets. Either way, a good way to celebrate International Plastic Bag Free Day. And I guess there's a website too, which is called plasticfreeday.org.
We have a fan.
We do have a fan. It's a symbol of Air Conditioning Appreciation Day. Air Conditioning Appreciation Day. In 1902, Willis Carrier invented air conditioning, which was water-filled coils having air being pushed through them to lower the humidity in a paper processing plant. Can you believe that?
Yeah.
But do you appreciate our air conditioning?
Yeah.
We should go appreciate our air conditioning. How about you?
Yeah. I like air conditioning, and I like you, air conditioner.
I love you, air conditioning. I love you. Can you believe we've celebrated 6 holidays already?
Yeah.
We have 1 left. Today is Compliment Your Mirror Day. What do you think that means?
It means that you're supposed to compliment every mirror you have.
Let's see how weird that is. Compliment Your Mirror Day. You are such a good mirror. You are such a good mirror.
Mirror. Very, very pretty mirror. I like you. You're very pretty.
Actually, Compliment Your Mirror Day is meaning you're supposed to be kind to yourself. Because what you see in the mirror, you should be kind to yourself. And say, you know what? You can do it, buddy.
Yay.
There you go. We hope you celebrate all of these holidays today, but you better get started because there's a lot of them. Good luck. Hey, thank you for watching this episode of It's What's Up. We would love it if you could subscribe to the channel. Prove that you're an amazing person. Also, here are other episodes of It's What's Up. Plus, we have a vlog and also some puns and parodies. Check out the playlist. We'll see you next time.